If you've ever needed to edit an Excel file but didn't have Microsoft Excel installed, don't worry. Google Drive has you covered. Today, you'll learn exactly how to open, edit, and save Excel spreadsheets right inside Google's online workspace. It's simple, fast, and perfect for working from any device. Let's jump straight in. Start by opening your web browser and heading to drive.google.com. This is your cloud hub for everything: documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. If you're not logged in yet, sign in with your Google account so you can access your files. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, locate the Excel file you want to edit. You can scroll through your folders, browse your drive normally, or use the search bar at the top to find it instantly. When you see the file, just double-click to open it. At first, it will appear in view-only mode, so you can quickly confirm it's the correct spreadsheet. Here's where Google really makes things easy. Drive automatically recognizes Excel files and will prompt you to open them in Google Sheets. Google's built-in spreadsheet editor, with one click, your Excel file loads in Sheets, ready for full editing. And yes, it supports Excel formats without any compatibility issues. Now you can edit the spreadsheet just like you would in Excel. Change numbers, add new data, update formulas, analyze information. Google Sheets includes nearly all the familiar tools you're used to, and the best part, every change saves automatically in the cloud, so you never lose progress and you can continue your work from any device. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you can open and fully edit Excel files right in Google Drive using Google Sheets. It's efficient, accessible, and perfect for real-time collaboration. Thanks for watching, and if you want more helpful guides like this, stick around. There's plenty more on the way. Happy editing!